Today, I'll show you how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Google Forms can work for appointment scheduling, but it is a simple manual method, not a full automatic booking system. Google Forms is designed for collecting responses, while Google Calendar now has a dedicated appointment schedules feature that creates a booking page where people can book your available time directly. So if you want a basic low-cost setup, Google Forms can work, but if you want automatic scheduling with live availability, Google Calendar appointment schedules is usually the better official tool. If you still want to use Google Forms, start by creating a new form and adding the fields you need. A typical setup would include the person's name, email address, phone number, preferred date, preferred time slot, and maybe a short note about the reason for the appointment. Google also lets you collect email addresses and adjust form settings before you send the form out, which is useful if you want to follow up with each person later. Next, make your appointment options clear. The easiest method is to add a multiple choice or drop-down question with available time slots, like 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 2 p.m. Then link the form to Google Sheets so each response goes into a spreadsheet you can review. Google Forms supports sending responses into Sheets, which makes it easier to track who booked which slot and spot duplicates quickly. Now here's the key limitation. Google Forms, by itself, does not automatically block a time slot after one person selects it. So if two people choose the same time, you'll need to manage that manually unless you use an add-on. There are Workspace Marketplace add-ons specifically built to limit choices or connect form responses to calendar events, but those are add-ons, not built-in Google Forms features. After someone submits the form, review the response in Google Forms or Google Sheets, then create the appointment in Google Calendar and invite the person by email. Google Calendar lets you add guests to an event so they receive the invite directly. You can also customize the form confirmation message so people know you'll confirm the appointment separately after reviewing availability. So, in simple terms, Google Forms works best for collecting appointment requests, while Google Calendar appointment schedules works better for true self-booking. If you want the easiest and most official booking setup, Google Calendar appointment schedules is usually the smarter choice, and that's how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.